Once upon a time, in a big, green jungle, lived a mighty lion. He was strong and brave, and all the animals respected him. One sunny afternoon, the lion was very tired. He found a shady spot under a big tree and fell fast asleep. While he was sleeping, a tiny, playful mouse came scurrying by. The mouse loved to explore. The little mouse saw the giant lion and thought it would be fun to climb on him. Up and down he went, tickling the lion's nose. Suddenly, the lion woke up with a start. He was not happy to find a tiny mouse running all over him. The lion let out a mighty roar that shook the trees. The little mouse was so scared he trembled from his whiskers to his tail. "Please, great king of the jungle, don't eat me," squeaked the mouse. "If you let me go, I promise I will help you someday." The lion looked at the tiny mouse, and then at his big paws. "How could a little mouse ever help a mighty lion like me?" he chuckled. But the lion was feeling kind. He decided to let the mouse go. "Run along, little one," he said with a gentle sigh. The mouse quickly scampered away, very grateful to be free. He didn't forget the lion's kindness. Some days later, the lion was walking through the jungle when, face-snap asterisk, he got caught in a hunter's net. He roared and struggled, but couldn't break free. The little mouse heard the lion's roars. He remembered his promise and rushed to help. With his tiny, sharp teeth, the mouse began to gnaw and chew on the thick ropes of the net. He gnawed and gnawed until, fapop asterisk, one rope broke, then another. Soon, the lion was able to pull himself free. The lion looked at the tiny mouse with great respect. "Thank you, my little friend," he rumbled. "You saved me. Even the smallest friend can be the greatest help."